Okay, so I'm going to look at the hand now. Now, the simplest way to draw a hand in terms of shape is this kind of leaf or petal shape. So it's going to be, and then another coming off at an angle, another kind of leaf shape. It gives a nice kind of quite elegant hand shape. Do it in different directions. Okay, maybe use the contour lines. It's fine. Okay, so there's that for a quick. It depends. If you're doing a quick sketch, that can be great just to map out the hand. If you want to give the hand more form, I would say you want to start to think about the back of the hand and then the fingers, and you can think in terms of geometric shapes a bit more, so in terms of rectangles or that kind of thing. You can use a bit of shading to give it form. Again, quite a blocky hand. And the other thing I was going to suggest was the good thing about this beginning your drawings with geometric shapes is when you come to create 3D models in 3ds Max, you're obviously beginning, or sometimes you're beginning with primitive or basic geometric shapes and then modifying them. So regardless, anyway, even if you're modelling you're modelling using polygons, whatever you're doing, which are multi-sided shapes. So this process of thinking in terms of shapes when you're drawing, I think, can be really useful for your 3D modelling work as well. So that's that. Now, if we start to think about the hand in more detail, so if we start off with, I'm going to do a basic shape here, so it's still that kind of leaf shape. Okay, and then we can start to look at the dividing that up. So we've got the knuckles here, okay, and then we've got the joint in the fingers, okay. We can start to bring the thumb in. Okay, we can start to define individual fingers. Let me just put a bit of a gap in there so we can clearly see the fingers there. Okay, so we've got our basic shape. We've got the 4 fingers and the thumb defined now, and then it's a question of, you can see each individual finger has a series of geometric shapes as well. Again, I usually find some type of cube or cuboid is the best way of doing that. Just define the thumb a bit more in terms of the form of it. Okay, and you see very quickly we start to get a kind of impression of the fingers and the hand. This is clear on the video. Okay, so that's a basic impression. Just try different positioning. So again, the palm, fingers coming off. I think the looser, I'd still, I still do it myself sometimes. When I tighten up too much from a drawing initially, it doesn't, it doesn't tend to be as good a drawing. So keep it very loose at the beginning. Okay, so we've got a basic different shape. Fingers a bit more different. Okay, again, giving it form. Again, if we think about a light source, again, top right usually tend to the sake of this, have the light source up there. Okay, and then okay, so we got a basic, you know, again very quickly, you know, basic hand shape there. Let's try. Okay, so I mean that's the basic principle then. Again, dividing up, you've got the back of the hand or the palm of the hand. You've got the fingers divided at the you know, you've got it divided at the knuckles and then divided at the hand. Sorry, the fingers divided at the halfway point there. Okay, so that's the hand.